Hi, I'm Wiley. Today, I'm gonna show you how to draw an elephant with letters from the alphabet. First, you need to draw the letter O. Now, you need to draw the letter S, going that way. You can draw legs by using the letter L. 1, 2, 3, 4. Join the legs to the body. Draw some little bitty toes with the letter M. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can draw a tail by using the letter J. You can draw a smile and an ear by using the letter U. Yay! Now it's finished! Doesn't she look cute? That was fun! Give it a try! I'd love to see what you can make. Well, that's it for today. See you soon, Big Baboon!